Welcome back to Taste Test. Oreo churro flavored cream cookies. Fried cookie dough, flavored cookie, churro flavored cream, artificial flavored with sugar inclusions. At least it's not inspired by sugar. Old El Paso, cinnamon toast crunch dessert taco shells blasted with cinnadust. We're gonna taste that. And Pringles, everything bagel chips. So let's start off with the Oreos.
Tastes like a churro.
It's hitting the elements of a churro, and I think Oreo did a really good job. Pringles, everything bagel, pretty much speaks for itself. That was really close.
You can taste a hint of sour cream, a hint of the bagel, and definitely some ranch type flavoring, but sesame seeds maybe.
I had burnt sesame seed on mine, I think. Do you feel it was overly salty?
No. Did you?
The second chip I had kind of felt that way.
Maybe I should try a third one. I see what you're saying about the salt when you're looking for that. It's salty, very salty. You wouldn't want to eat it if you had a cut on your lip.
Yeah, good point. I'm wondering if they're using sesame oil. It's a good chip. Yeah, I think Pringles did a really good job introducing all these flavors into a chip compared to the other, I feel, unsuccessful attempts with unique flavors. Yeah, I'd give it again.
Yeah, I liked it too.
All right, Old El Paso, cinnamon toast crunch dessert taco shells. It appears to be a taco shell, regular taco shell, but blasted with the cinnadust. I don't know how well that's going to go with ice cream, but all right. What's your opinion?
I think it's very good. I think it's definitely a cinnamon blasted taco. It is what it says it is. It's not overly sweet, which was surprising. I thought it was going to be really sweet. It offset the sweetness of the ice cream. So if you're not one to have a love for really, really sweet desserts, this would be good. Tastes a lot like Mexican ice cream or fried ice cream.
I agree with what you're saying. My expectations was that the taco was going to be a little bit flakier, not an actual taco. There was some chewiness to the taco, kind of getting stuck in your teeth kind of thing, that wasn't enjoyable. And the taco flavor came out more. It was masked by the cinnamon toast crunch flavor, but it was still there. I wouldn't get it again. I'll eat this, but then that's about it.
I probably wouldn't crave it, but it will be good. It'll be fun.
Yeah. Out of the three, what one's your favorite?
The churro cream Oreo.
Yeah. Yep, these are good. And nice crunch to it. These might be fun for your kids. And Pringles did a really good job getting the real close flavor to the everything bagel on a chip. So I think that'll be it. All right. Thanks for watching.